What do they do for New Year's in Pak Chong City, Thailand? Well, of course they do a night market and a wee mini concert. So let's have a look. Now, so far, looking around in the market here for about 10 minutes, just the eclectic style that people have advertising today, just the vendors. Look at this old suitcase, putting the old watches and sunglasses and stuff in there. How great's that? That's like an old 1960s, 1970s style. Lots of vintage stuff. Wu-Tang. You don't see that a lot anymore. Pretty good.
Take your time.
Okay, Cap. Right, so here we have the old vintage football, baseball, ice hockey, basketball, but everything. Just spotted another one that I like. Philadelphia Eagles. That size is way too small for me. Right, so just off camera there, I got myself the San Francisco 49ers jersey. I know another YouTuber would be angry at the moment, but the 49ers are going to the Super Bowl this year. I can feel it in my bones. Right, this is the Pak Chong market for New Year's Eve. And tonight, there seems to be a lot of events everywhere. The actual temples having festivals. So we've still got quite a few numbers here. It's actually only early still, it's only 7 o'clock. We'll head around and have a look at what we can see. Little music boxes. I know first thing we have to do though is get some food. Should have brought more money with me. I got the 49ers jersey already, but look at all the old vintage stuff. Oasis, Simpsons, Star Wars, all the old school knockoff Stussies, but even Beavis and Butthead. We were just watching this the other night, me and wifey, for Christmas, but Home Alone 2. Not typically synonymous with Thailand, is it? The old big red Cadillac. After leaving the New Year's night market, we passed a very famous temple that I'll video vlog further in an upcoming video. This is how they do their New Year's, in a very old school Thai traditional way. Right, well, Happy New Year, everyone. But unfortunately, for one member on our farm here, we've Magnum. Nowhere to be seen. I think his first year seeing fireworks. He didn't seem too fussed by them early in the evening. We went out to the night market and had our guest with us, and he was fine before we left. But some family members told us as the fireworks intensified around the area as it got close to midnight, he disappeared. They found him hiding behind the cottage at one stage earlier, about 10 p.m. We got home just about 11, saw the fireworks. Wifey's just come back from a second excursion out to that massive field that ends up going into some sugarcane fields several rides away. So I'm about ready to hop in the truck and see if I can go find our wee little pride and joy. Maybe the comfort of us not being home. Obviously the intensity, and we went out to the night market. He obviously didn't have his little safety blanket. Mum and Dad to be home, I guess. So let's see if we can go find him. Not the typical day we want to start as New Year's, but she's coming up about midday. I'm just slowly looking around the village here, looking to see if I can spot Magnum. I seem to think behind our property is massive fields of sugarcane. It's probably where there's going to be less fireworks going on. Now, wifey, first thing this morning, had to walk down back of the sugarcane fields at the back of our property. There's no roads as such right at the back, so I've got to go up the road here, and then there's a wee right where Magnum went to the vets earlier a few months ago. Hang a ride down there, we can get in behind all the sugarcane fields, see what we can see if we can see him. Magnum is quite social, even with dogs he probably doesn't know. He would probably hang out with dogs that are nice, not probably aggressive dogs. Some of the area behind here, on the back side of this hill, is very thick. Seen Magnum? No, they haven't seen him. Alright, let's go around behind the sugarcane over here. Magnum! Magnum, come on! Try and drive slow when I call for him, see if he pops up on the road and stuff. If he comes straight away, if he'll hear my voice, I guarantee it. Those big trucks like that, especially the double trailer trucks, now it's sugarcane season. Some of these little small roads and stuff, I don't know how they work down them and not get stuck or have to turn around sometimes. Crazy. There you go, num num. Looking very hot and tired after your excursion last night, boy. Did you sleep? Perfect, just came home, 2 p.m. It was a bit of relief off everyone's minds. Make them run off after all those fireworks. Here's another wee score. Brother-in-law and his girlfriend, they're taking a lot of our country eggs to the Bangkok city itself. The people in the Bangkok, they love the eggs. We've got nice deep orange to red yolks. Everyone goes crazy when they get eggs like that. Lastly, the following morning, Magnum is still in bed and it's coming up 9 a.m. This is not usual for him. Look, you still got thistles and bitty bits and stuff stuck all over your fur. You're trying to bite them off. I'll help you in a minute. I'll get your brush. You haven't sleeping.